You may be wondering what a Burr puzzle is. According to Wikipedia, a Burr puzzle is an interlocking puzzle consisting of notched sticks combined to make a three-dimensional, usually symmetrical unit. A lot of times they're made from wood, but they don't have to be. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this 3-piece Burr puzzle. This is a fairly basic Burr puzzle. It's good for a start. Even though I'm making this from a 1-inch square dowel, you can use these same steps to make one from any size of square dowel. Any dimensions that I show in this video are a reference to the size of the dowel. If there are any specific puzzles that you would like to see me make, leave a comment and let me know.
Starlight, it's our lives in hindsight. And as I lay here in the street, I see what I need. I need escape from this debris, carefree.
To remove the sections, a chisel is a good option. My chisel is not sharp, so I used a utility knife with a strong blade. When you file the inside of the groove, stop and test fit the opening with another piece. It needs to fit in easily, not too loose and not too tight.
And all the lights are out at midnight. I'm alright in hindsight. 'Cause all that's left here now is starlight.
In order for this puzzle to assemble, one of these matching pieces needs to be modified a bit more. This center section needs to be rounded off. That's pretty easy to do with a file. Now all of the pieces are finished. This part that I just rounded off fits nicely into place and also rotates easily. Now I can put this final piece into position and slide it into place. All I need to do is rotate the modified piece. And that's it. This bird puzzle is complete. If there are any other puzzles you would like me to build, please leave a comment and let me know. And also watch for my next video where I will be making the 6-piece bird puzzle. Thank you for watching.